Welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing a video on this baby here. This is the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. It's the world's most powerful facial, so it says. Deep pore cleaning, 100% natural calcium bentonite clay, and I am gonna put this bad boy on my hair and my face for the first time ever and see, is it as good as people make it seem? I read the directions on this and it says nothing about your hair, so I'm wondering what made people want to put it in their hair. But hey, I heard it works. I heard it does wonders to their hair. So we're gonna try it today. Okay y'all, so this is what you will need: your apple cider vinegar, your Aztec Healing Clay, and your plastic utensils to mix it all up. So I have a lot more clay left, so I'm gonna try and put most of it through my hair, and then I'm gonna put the rest on my face. I have a makeup brush and I'm gonna put it all over my face. This is my skin after I took the mask off, and I'm going to show you my hair later. I don't really see a difference in my skin. So it does feel dry. My skin does feel dry after using this mask and taking it off, so I'm about to hydrate it. So now we're going to look at my hair. So when it comes to my hair, I don't see like a drastic change or drastic feeling or drastic difference in my hair. I honestly probably wouldn't do this again because I feel like my hair could still look like this after regularly deep conditioning, but I guess I could put in my product, which I'm gonna do now. I didn't really like putting it on my hair and stuff. Your hair definitely has to be damp or wet when you apply it. Make sure it's detangled because I didn't really detangle it a lot when I put it in, and kind of like I didn't really like the feeling of it on my hair, to be honest. I was rinsing out my hair and then I put conditioner on my hair after I rinsed it out, and my hair didn't really feel, you know, as soft as people say it's supposed to feel or anything. So as I was putting in conditioner in my hair, I realized I had like clay on my scalp, like in some parts of my head that didn't rinse out. I had to go ahead and use shampoo. And I shampooed my hair probably like a couple of days before I applied this, so I didn't want to shampoo my hair again. But after putting in the clay mask, I realized I had to get it off of my scalp, the clay. So I shampooed my hair again, and then my hair started feeling soft. And I was like, okay, is this the softness they're talking about? And whatever. And I knew it wasn't my shampoo, because last time I shampooed my hair, because that shampoo has sulfate in it, last time I shampooed my hair, of course my hair felt stripped after shampooing. But this time after shampooing, my hair felt moisturized and it was soft, like everybody say their hair is after they put this mask on their hair. Like, oh my gosh, after I put this clay mask on, my hair's just super soft. So I'm like, oh, is this what they're talking about? But then I was thinking, does it have anything to do with my conditioner or my shampoo or anything? Can I really associate it with it? But I did associate it with it. Now my hair just feels regular. Like, I don't feel a drastic change in my hair. It doesn't feel like, now that I'm out the shower and touching this stuff, it doesn't feel super moisturized. It doesn't feel super soft. You know, like, I don't have any drastic change with my hair. For that reason, I probably wouldn't use the clay mask in my hair again. I don't really think it's worth me using again, like with like how messy it is and everything. And for me personally, it didn't work out for me like it did for a lot of other people, in my opinion. But when I put the clay mask on, it felt dry right away. Like, my skin felt dry right away. Like, it felt like, you know, it was ready to be taken off already, how tight it was on my skin. So next thing I know, I left it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and it started like breaking when you see cracks in your mask. But towards like the 10 to 15 minutes, I'm like, oh, my face feel really tight. Like, it just feel really dry and tight. So I was ready to take it off. Like, after 15 minutes, I was ready to take it off my face. I was ready to take it off my hair. I'm just like, this just needs to be over. Like, I want this rinsed off right away. It wasn't burning or anything. It just felt dry and tight. That's all. It was just uncomfortable. I would say try it and see if you like it. But for me personally, I would probably try the mask on my face a few more times to see, do I really like it, and if I really see a difference and a change. And for my hair, I probably wouldn't do it again. You know, I probably wouldn't do it again since I didn't really see a change and I didn't really like the effects of it. So yes, those are my thoughts on the Indian healing clay that everyone raves about.